A very good morning, dear students. You are welcome to this presentation on Salaparni, which is a Sarvadosahara Drabya. Now, the pictorial demonstration of the drug Salaparni on the screen. Here you can see the picture, and the basonym of the drug is Salaparni. The Latin name of the drug is Desmodium gangeticum. Desmodium because jointed pods and connected stamens. Gangeticum pertaining to Ganges. It is available in the banks of Ganga river. That's why, basing on these two conditions, the term has been coined as Desmodium gangeticum. It belongs to Fabaceae as well as Leguminaceae, both are correct. Sanskrit name is Salaparni. Now the synonym and nirukti of the drug: Shalaparni sthira Shamya Triparni Pivari Guha Bidarigandha Dirghaghi Dirghapatra Amsum Atyapi. Shalaparni and Guha are the terms because of Shalasya Parnyanyastha. Its leaves are similar to those of Shala tree. That's why it is Salaparni. And they are deep. That's why it is called Guha. Sthira refers to Drihamula Sthiryaprada Va Tisthatiti. It strengthens the body. It strengthens our body, all the dhatus. That's why it is Sthira. And also, it is adhered to the earth for a long time. It, because of its deep rooted structures, it is very much deep rooted underground. That's why it is Sthira. Now, Somya, Soma Guna Pradhana Rasayani. It is predominant in property of Soma and hence used as Rasayana. Vidari Gandha, Vidarya Eva Gandho Asya. Bhaprakash has mentioned that its roots have the aroma or its roots smells like that of Bidarikanda. Bidarikanda is Purularia tuberosa. Dirghangri and Dirghapatra because of Dirgho Anghi Mulam Asya. Its leaves are long as well as its roots are also long. It is deep rooted, hence it is called Dirghangri, and as the leaves are long, it is Dirghapatra. Amsumati Aswa Suksma Sutrani Mule Santasya. Growth of branches of this plant appears as that of sun rays. That's why it is called Amsumati. Sula Rogari Hirchule Prayukta, as per Surala Nigantu, it alleviates pain. Sophagni Sophanghanti iti, it alleviates edema or inflammation. That's why it is called Sophagni. Now the Gana or the classification according to Charak. Acharya Charak has mentioned it under Anga Prasaman Mahakasai, Shothahara Mahakasai, Balya Mahakasai, Snehopaga Mahakasai, and Madhurskanda group of drugs. Acharya Susrut has mentioned it under Bidari Gandhari Gana and Laghu Panchamul group of drugs. Acharya Vagbhat has mentioned it under Barunadi Gana. Now the morphological description: it is up to 1 meter tall, thin stemmed herb or undershrub, clothed with appraised white hairs. Stems and branches, as you can see in the picture, short and woody at base, simple, irregularly angled and pubescent. Branches angled and clothed with appraised white hairs. The roots on the picture demonstrated, you can see. Now the leaves on the screen, it is unifoliate, membranous, ovate, oblong, acute or slightly acuminate, glabrous and green above, but clothed with dense, soft, white, appraised hair beneath the leaf. Base is rounded or subchordate. Petiole is 1 to 2 cm long with persistent stiple, reticulately veined. Flowers are inflorescence is elongated, lax and terminal, pinkish white to violet in appearance, small, arranged in axillary raceme. Fruits flat with 6 to 8 joints, you can see in the picture. Pods up to 2 cm long and 2 mm wide, which are jointed, that's why gangeticum. Lower half of each unit separated with each other but jointed completely at upper half. It is minutely hairy. The seeds on the picture, you can see they are compressed and reniform. Flowers and fruits occur almost throughout the year but mainly in June, July and August. Geographical distribution: common species in lower hills and plains throughout India, ascending up to 1500 mm in the Himalayas. It is frequently found in the outer Himalaya, Punjab, in forest and wastelands of Bihar and Orissa, Palghat in Madhya Pradesh, in open and wasteland forest of Rajasthan, forests from Ganjam to Godavari, western Ghats from South Kannada to Travancore and Madras. It is available in Assam also. Now the Rasa Panchakas as per Rajanigantu: Salaparni Rasetikta Guru Ushna Batadosajit. Guna is Guru and Snigdha. Rasa is Madhura and Tikta. Bidya is Ushna. Vipak is Madhura. Chemical constituents: roots afforded by pterocarpenoids, gangetin 3H, gangetinine, desmodin, N-dimethyl tryptamine, hypochlorine, hordane, codicin, etc. Among these, the most important is gangetin, which shows significant anti-inflammatory property that has been proved through scientific researches. The aerial portion gave indole 3-alkylamine and their derivatives. Now the karma of Salaparni. As per Rajanigantu, Salaparni Rasetikta Gurushna Batadosajit Bisham Jara Meghagni Sosa Trishna Vinashini. Again, Bhaprakash has mentioned Salaparni Gara Chardi Jwara Sasa Atijharajit Sosa Dosatraya Hari Bringhana Yukta Rasayani Tikta Vishahari Swadu Chata Sasa Krimi Pranuta. In Charak Samhita, Sutrasthan 25th chapter, Salaparni is mentioned is Agraya Aushadha Vargas. It has to be collected among prime drugs. Vidarigandha Vrishya Sarvadosaharanam. Vidarigandha is Vrishya. It is aphrodisiac. Sarvadosaharanam. It alleviates all the 3 doses or diseases related to 3 doses. Now, Salaparni is a Sarvadosa Hazadravya as mentioned in Charak Samhita. Besides this, it performs the following pharmacological actions. It is Anulomana. It is Kapha Nisharaka. It is Nadi Balya, nerve stimulant and tonic. It is Deepana. It is thermogenic and improves digestion. Snehana. It is demulcent. Hridya, it is cardiac tonic. Sonita Sthapana, it is hemostatic. Sotahara, it is anti-inflammatory and anti-catarrhal. Angamarada Prasamana, it is analgesic. Stambhana, astringent to bowel. Mutrala, diuretic activity. Krimighna, it is anti-helminthic. Visaghna, it is alexifermac. Brishya, it is aphrodisiac. It is Balya, Brimhana, Jwarahara and Rasayana. It is strengthening to the body. It is fattening your body. It is febrifuge and antipyretic. It is rejuvenating and can be given as alternative therapy. Also, saloperidone possesses anticholinesterase, antibacterial, antiarthritic, spasmolytic, curiform, smooth muscle stimulant, bronchial muscle relaxation property.